In the left menu pane, you'll find the plus button, and all you have to do is click that to start composing your email. There are three main parts to your email that you will always need, and that's the recipient, the subject, and the body. The recipient is for people you're sending the email to. You could type one or multiple addresses here. The good thing is that if a person is already in your contacts, you just have to start writing their name and their email should appear automatically. Now you could also decide to add people to the CC or BCC lists. And CC basically stands for carbon copy. It's mostly used in the business world, let's say, and it just tells the person that you're sending the email to that they're not the main recipient, but you want to still keep them in the loop. BCC, on the other hand, is similar. The only difference is that the recipient's email is basically going to be hidden from everyone else. Then you have the subject, and that basically tells the recipient what your email is about. You can write a few words that summarize the content of your email. In this case, I'm just going to write test. And then you have the body of the email, and it's just the message itself, basically. In this case, I'll just write, this is a test email. So once you finish writing the email, all you have to do is click send, and your email should go through. If you just want to confirm that it's actually been sent, just click here on sent on the left side again, and you'll find the email. Once you send an email, there's actually a bit of delay where you can click on undo send, and what that will do is take you back to the email as a draft. And once you're back to the draft email, you can correct any mistakes that you've made and send it again. You'll find the undo send very useful in case you accidentally send an email without the correct attachments, or if you notice a typo at the last minute. So if you go into general settings, you can actually see here in the undo send section that you can change the send cancellation period from 5 to up to 30 seconds. So just remember always to scroll down at the end of the page and click on save changes if you made any.